everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing an unboxing today. So I am going to unbox some stuff that I got from Walmart. I don't shop in Walmart. If I do shop like at Walmart, I shop online. So this is the box that came from Walmart. And Honey Pot, they made a post, because I follow them on Instagram. They made a post saying that they had came out with some new stuff. And I was like, oh, okay. Let me check out Walmart. So that's what I went ahead and did. And I'm going to show y'all what I got. So this is a pure unboxing, y'all. Just pure unboxing. Maybe a little loud. I don't know. Y'all will be alright. Okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. My hand. Okay. When you first open it, you got paper. Whatever. And now on to the products. Okay. So the first thing is first, we have the Honey Pot Cucumber and Aloe Foaming Wash. And this is what I'm really excited to try, because this is apparently new. Post-shake 3 times, cucumber, aloe, and vinegar. Okay. So I would have to get another one. I would have to get one of my Honey Pots out the shower to see if the ingredients are different. But yeah, I would have to do that. But I'm not gonna do that now because they in the shower, and that'll be for another video. But this has cucumber, aloe, and vinegar, distributed by Honey Pot Co. and from Atlanta, Georgia. You feel me? Talc free. I don't know what that means. Contains colloidal silver, cruelty free, sulfate free, and pH of 3.4 through 3.5. No parabens. Plant delivered self-care. Okay, this seems promising. I love both of the Honey Pots. I don't have a like preference. I love both of them. I like the normal one, and I like the sensitive one, so I don't really mind. I wonder which one this is, or which one this is supposed to be. This just says, it just says cucumber and aloe foaming wash, and I went ahead and decided to get it because I know Honey Pot be out of stock like in some places. So I'm like, you know what, let me go ahead and take advantage, get me one. A lot of people say the pump is a problem. I never had a problem. I don't have a problem with my sensitive one. I only have a problem with the normal one. I have a problem with that pump, but it's not like, you know, it's not really bad though, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't stop working. It's just hard to, you know, press down sometimes, but that's it. There's nothing really much about that I can say that I have an issue with. But yeah, this is what it looked like, and you get this at Walmart. And then I got, of course, I had to get the wipes, right? This is the Honey Pot Cucumber and Aloe wipes. I have not used the other wipes yet because they're not I haven't ran out of my wipes yet, so I haven't used those yet. But yeah, these are the wipes. They're nice and green. Okay. Honey Pot Cucumber and Aloe wipes. Let's just see what it smells like. Oh Lord, can I? So this is how you open it. These nails gonna be the death of me. Dang. Okay. Smells like cucumber. Okay, it's a nice, cool, refreshing scent. It definitely smells like cucumber. Y'all know that I'll never forget because it's my mama's favorite. The cucumber melon lotion from Bath and Body Works. That's my mama's favorite scent. And it kind of smells like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and close these up. I want these to stay moist for when I do use them. But yeah, I got the Honey Pot aloe cucumber and aloe wipes, and anything with aloe I pretty much love, especially on my hair. And I'm sure it has great I'm sure it does great things for the body as well. So yeah, my cucumber and aloe wipes. And next we have the Honey Pot Sensitive Foaming Wash. This is a travel size. It's so cute. I remember I said I had to get the Honey Pot Foaming Wash, and I'm going to go ahead and put this in my little beauty travel kit. So what I have in here, let me just show y'all what I have in here if y'all forgot. So this is my little like travel kit slash spending the night kit or whatever. And everything in here is new, like hasn't been opened at all. So the first thing I have in here, well actually I lied. I use this. This is the EOS Shea Butter Heal and Repair Body Cream. It is the pomegranate and raspberry kind. I love this scent. Oh, and I got this little bag from Forever 21. But yeah, that's what's in here. So that goes at the bottom. And then I have a new deodorant. This is the Rose deodorant. It's brand new. Hasn't even been opened. Hasn't been opened. I have toothpaste. This is the Arm & Hammer toothpaste. I love the baking soda toothpaste. Like, it's my favorite. So that's why I got this. This is the baking soda travel size toothpaste. I have 2 new toothbrushes in here. I have Method Body. This is the body wash that I love, and it was only $1, so I was like, why not? So I had the Method Body travel size body wash. I have my face wash. This is my favorite face wash that I use. I use this on my face every day and every night. The vitamin C facial wash. So I got a travel size of that. Travel size edge control. Yeah, I had a brush in here, a travel size brush, but I don't know where it went. But I have my travel size brush, my travel size edge control in here. Edge Fisher Glue, one of my favorite edge controls. I have a brand new razor, hasn't been touched in here. This is where my lotion went. This actually stays in my purse. This is the Hand Food Soap and Glory Hand Food. This stays in my purse, but I couldn't find it for a long time because it was in here. So I'm gonna put this back in my purse because I be needing it when I go out. I have a 24K lip gloss in here. And last but not least, I'm going to put my Honey Pot Sensitive Wash in here. Like, I love everything travel size. It's so cute. So, yeah, I'm going to put that in there. And it fits right on top. So, I'm just going to zip that up. And whenever, you know, I spend a night with somebody, or whenever I, you know, go out of town or whatever like that, I have my little travel kit full of my little goodies, you know. And I think I'm going to Vegas pretty soon, so this will come in handy. And yeah, so that was my little unboxing. I'm definitely going to try this one out and give y'all, I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna do, since I have all three, I'm gonna do a video on how I like all three, because I love the normal one, I love the sensitive one, and I'm sure I'm gonna love this too as well. I will forever continue to buy things from Honey Pot. Honey Pot, I don't know if you saw my last video or not, you know what I'm saying? But I want to give y'all a suggestion. Try coming out with a bigger package of wipes. Because if you do, I will leave them Target wipes alone. Okay? Come out with a bigger pack of wipes, and I'll buy them. And I'm sure other girls can vouch in the comment section and say that they will buy them as well. But first of all, you need to get this pump together, because what I seen in the comment section on your Instagram, a lot of people was talking about this pump. I only had problems with one pump. The sensitive one, it pumps fine and it's foamy and stuff like that. But yeah, a lot of people are talking about this pump now. Okay, get it together. Come on now, you my favorite brand. I need y'all up there. I need y'all up there, okay? Because y'all be doing good stuff, all right? And we back on. Come on, we got to support our sisters. We love supporting our sisters. Come on now. But yeah, if you came out with a bigger package of wipes, I think everybody would love you. That's just, you know, that's just me. I always love, you know, yeah. Okay, y'all, well, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, are you going to try this cucumber and aloe? And let me know if you have. I don't know why are we so. Let me know if you have tried it yet. Let me know if you will try it. Let me know if you tried anything from Honey Pot. Let me know what is your favorite thing from Honey Pot. Make sure you share this video with Honey Pot, so you know your girl can get a sponsorship from Honey Pot. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and make sure you, or you know, just free product. I just want some free product. I don't even care about the sponsorship at this point. Just give me free product, because girl, this stuff here, well, not exactly this one, because I haven't used it yet, so I don't know how this is gonna do me, but the other two and the wipes and the pads and the tampons and the panty liners, just, you know, just sponsor me. But don't even sponsor, just send me free stuff. Just send me free product. Like, that's all I want, honestly. Like, you don't even have to pay me no money. Just send me free product, because I love me some Honey Pot. I just want to be stocked up on Honey Pot. Like, every time I go to Target, I'm in the feminine section getting me something from Honey Pot. Like, literally, I spend my coin. If you're not available, okay, not my business. It's a group chat. Okay, anyways, so yeah, and it says keep it cool. I wonder, is this supposed to have a cooling sensation? Let me see. Hold on, let me read the ingredients, because it says keep it cool. So I don't see anything like mint or, you know, eucalyptus in here that would keep it cool, you know, keep you cool. But maybe, I don't know, I'll try it and I'll get back to y'all on that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Kyla Trees. I had to go ahead and get some, because I knew this was gonna be, I wasn't gonna get my hands on it if I didn't. So Okay, I got my thumbnail, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.